khublei shibun fibro Laitkam Kumba South Tylli kipus jongki librarian tekidon hadu South Tylli kene office of the nganpuli katkum connect advertisement. The office of the Director of Health Service, Medical Education and Research DME invite application from permanent resident of Meghalaya and other eligible candidate as per standard regulation on a contractual basis. Kadai kontrak mau kita buka apply kan apa? Kadai ka contractual basis fill a vacancy of setting up the central and departmental libraries proposed for Shillong Medical College. Nam taka Shillong Medical College akan year arjar absan arjar pendrew. Eligible candidate have to appear for the work interview. Can be a direct interview, work interview on 28 and 29 April arjar arpau san. Te kita giba long eligible sakan mau ban lej akan ek arprab arkandai tarik jumpa April. Nam taka interview. Post librarian nam taka post librarian ek junan kam taka wei ma post librarian ko wei ka age kade not exceeding 62 years. Qualification a master degree in library science, Lane Library and Information Science of a recognized university institute. Judan kam pandai experience kanere tangi wala trehi minimum of 15 years of professional experience in library under a central and state and autonomous and statutory organization PSU university or recognized research educational institution. Kane tangi bala trei ilajan la shong thaj da kalong ban apply. Assistant librarian kanepat takawahi kaneru not exceeding 60 years kaneru kajuhi master degree in library science kini juhi kanebde ka experience ki panship host name kategede ka sans name ka proficiency in using computer with hands-on experience in office application spreadsheet presentation and okay library assistant armut kanepat not exceeding 45 years, Dewan Tamya ka substance name, bachelor degree in library science, puli bachelor degree in library science or library and information science of a recognized institute. Desirable proficiency in using computer usage with hands-on experience in office application. Tekane te kindon ni kibala ban apply kane kibala adab ya ka bachelor degree in library science tangba kidiban nang computer pada proficiency in using computer usage with hands-on experience. But kane kaba saupre baro gila na late interview kane kadebe 10 plus 2 or 10 plus 12 higher secondary pass asha de 10 plus 2 te class 12 pass gila ban apply nam ta kane ka post number 4 library attendant and kan mau kade arpra bar kandai ka interview pay and allowance hangni ade betul pa ka tulop kadi ka no shibunai the monthly consultant remuneration for each position is specified below. Namta librarian de Indru Pohajar, assistant librarian San Pohajar, library assistant Sao Pohajar, library attendant Arpsan Hajar. Provision 6 months. Mail address eligible candidate may apply directly for a position by submitting their resume or standard application form along with several copies of supporting document. Verifying the minimum qualification and proof of address, epic or Aadhaar. The envelope containing the application must be subscribed as application for position of and submitted the following address. Okay, Piaban pa application gujong pi shakanek address the office of Director of Health Service, Medical Education and Research, DME Laumali, Pasture Hill, Shillong, Meghalaya. General condition: the last date of receipt of application in the prescribed proforma or up to date resume along with self-attested copy of certificate and document is on or before April 24, 2025 by 4:30 p.m. They have only submit your application yung fee. Kan last date kan day arp tarik dan date on 2 bedek sedang saka interview arp prabar kandai. Application must submit self-attested copies. Self-attested he take certificate as proof of age, educational qualification and experience. The aforementioned position are purely contract atau ada yaitu bastang contractual engagement. Okay, shall valid for a fixed period to come Islam reg laban ne Islam laban you independent. Okay, minimum eligibility and qualification arpsan mark kelai ka marks kat qualification arpsan mark nam ta ka minimum eligibility and qualification. Experience beyond the minimum, Sanmark, candidate from the state of Meghalaya with a permanent resident, Shiphomark, interview, Arphomark. kini la yol pala la ki biang tang na ki certificate but ki experience kene interview pada habis interview arpo kadau pia bon submit choi ki documents then salai thaga arpra kandai candidate from state of Meghalaya are encouraged to apply for the state position. Candidate also request to update on the website for any latest information. Test kan mau kane kadeka work interview te pihak submit choi ki application ke jong phi hal ni shwa ka ar phosau tarik ne dap ai ar so tarik April arjapsan by 4:30 PM te pihak tho ka application ha ka envelope application for position of library assistant library attendant ne thong tu ti document bro tap apa ka yong tu then have self tested select submit pra ka ne ka Office of Director of Health Service Medical Education apa Laumali te tangin ni jemput tip please